Welcome back. Now, once you begin to send individuals to the space, you're probably going to have multiple ways in which an individual can become part of the space. In that case, you're going to want to create some specific tags for that space. We can then create the specific tag. And within Circle, we can make it so that the tag either shows on the member profiles or that it doesn't. In those cases, we would turn this off so that the tag does not show to the member. We can then apply the tag to specific individuals. However, in this case, we're just going to create the tag. What we then want to do is to go back to our invitation link. We're then going to go to our invitation link and we're going to edit that invitation link. Once we have that invitation link edited, what we're then going to do is to come down into the member tags. We're going to click this area and we're going to choose the specific member tag. We're then going to save the changes. We then have our invitation link with a specific tag. What we're then going to do is we're going to copy the link. Once we copy the link, we can then take this link to our shopping cart so that we can deliver this link to an individual that purchases access to our site. And we are back inside of ThriveCart. And ThriveCart has a specific way in which this shopping cart delivers the link to a person that makes a purchase. It's called their fulfillment area. And so in this case, you would designate that you're going to send them to a specific URL. You will then place in the specific success URL, and that's going to be the URL for your space invitation. And so what's going to happen is that when the individual makes the purchase through ThriveCart, they're then going to be sent to the invitation link. If you have the individual added to a specific email marketing list upon purchase, one thing that you can do is to make it so that when that first email is delivered, that they're going to be able to click the link, which is part of the invitation, to be added to your specific space. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.